Hello, my name is Melquisedec Arraga Reyes. My future travel and adventures. My future homes I hope.
Hello, today we are talking about the future. Where you live in 10 years?
I 10 years I will live in a small modern house near the coast. I am going to a place with a warmer climate than my current city because I want a more relaxed lifestyle. Dreams destination.
That sounds great. What place will you visit?
I have many plans. First, I am going to visit Japan to see the cherry blossoms. Then I will travel to Italy because I really enjoy food and culture. I also plan to visit at least five countries, so my experience will be more diverse than is today. New skill and future abilities.
What will you be able to do that you can't do now?
Uh, I have many plans. First, I'm going to visit Japan to see the cherry blossoms. Then I will travel to Italy because I really enjoy food and culture. I also plan to visit and learn five countries, so my experience will be more diverse than it is today.
What will you enjoy the most?
I will enjoy meeting new people and learning about different cultures. The most traveling will be more exciting than staying in one place, and I will feel more independent.
Final question. How will your life be different?
My life will be more dynamic and meaningful. I won't follow a routine life, and I will focus on experiences instead of comfort.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.